welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is BRcrochet, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to make this flower. So you're going to make them piece by piece, then join them together to become this. So for the materials, you'll be needing your scissors, your hook size of 4.0, and also your needle. So this is all that you'll be needing to make this flower here. So please like, share and subscribe, and let's get right into class. So begin with the slip knots. Then make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 2, go into the third chain. So skip this and this. Go into the third chain with 1 single crochet. The next with half double crochet, yarn over, go in, pull up, put roll. Then the next with a double crochet, yarn over, go in, pull up, put through 2, put through 2. So the next with a treble crochet. So to make a treble crochet, you yarn over 2 times. You have this, then go in, pull up, put through 2, put through 2, put through 2. So for treble crochet, you pull through 3 times, yarn over 2 times, go in, pull up, put through 2, put through 2, put through 2. Into this last chain here, you're going to make 10 treble crochet into the chain. Put it through, put it through, put it through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After having 10 treble crochet into the same loop, then into the next, you make another treble crochet to the next stitch, treble crochet. Into the next, a treble crochet. Then next is a double crochet, so make a double crochet. Next is half double crochet, so make half double crochet. Next is a single crochet, so make a single crochet. Then you should have this. So from a single crochet, you go half double crochet, then double crochet, and make 2 treble crochet in 2 stitches. Then the last stitch here, you're going to have 10 treble crochet in this same stitch, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you walk back down with 1 treble crochet into 2 stitches, then followed by double crochet, followed by half double crochet, then a single crochet. So next is to make a slip stitch. So you should have this. Go into the next stitch, which is the single crochet stitch. So go into the single crochet stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 2, make extra 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 2, into the same stitch, make 2 double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 2, into the same stitch, make another 2 double crochet. So now you have 3 double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 2, into the same stitch, make 2 double crochet. So you're going to repeat this to the end. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 2, into the same stitch you place 2 double crochet. Make a slip stitch, chain 2, into the same stitch, make 2 double crochet. So you're going to repeat this to the end. You should have this. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, then into the same stitch, make a chain of 2, then and that's 2 double crochet. So I've reached the last end. I'm just going to make a slip stitch, chain 2, then cut. So now this is it. So you'll be needing 5 of this, which is so all you need to do is to attach all of this together. So you need your bring in your needle then and your thread. And all you have to do is so first thing is to join all of this together, but for these two are going to be folding opposite each other then join. So you're going to join this together this way. then tie. Then this one this way. But for others, you're going to stitch them on overlapping. So you overlap this, so you're going to join with this and also overlap it. So you also join this together. So now I'm done joining and I'm just going to tie it together. And yeah, this is it. So for this open part, just going to tighten. So you can cut off your excess yarn, then just tie it together, then cut off. You can go ahead and tie them together, then just cut off. For this part, all you have to do is, for this open part here, all you have to do is just pick up your yarn, go into it, then divide your yarn, open it up, transfer the other strand to the back. Then now you can have them facing opposite each other, then just tie. Then cut. And that's all. So you're going to repeat the same for all, then then tie. So you're going to repeat the same for haul, and that's all. So yeah, so this is done. So thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.